Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from avx.co portal. Here we go. Today is August 11 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Nowak as usual. CPI data from Italy did not affect the market's direction, unlike the report on price pressure in the US. Prices rising below forecast led to a surge in euro, but then pressure returned. Today, buyers will certainly try to re-enter the market, and for this, CPI data from France and Spain must come out decent or better than expected. However, upcoming data in the US may turn the tide during the US session. For long positions, buy euro when the quote hits 1.1010 and take profit at the price of 1.1046. Growth may be seen in the morning. However, when buying, traders should make sure that MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.0984, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.1010 and 1.1046. For short positions, sell euro when the quote reaches 1.0984 and take profit at the price of 1.0951. Pressure will increase in case of a failure to renew daily highs. However, when selling, traders must ensure that the MACD line is below zero or is starting to drop down from it. Euro can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.1010. But the MACD line should be in an overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0984 and 1.0951. The next stage of our review is the next major, GBP USD. This trading ideas presented by Sebastian Seliger. The bears are still in control of GBP USD, and the recent bounce from the consolidation zone towards the supply zone was capped and reversed. The bears managed to make another low at the level of 1.2665. So traders should pay attention to the intraday technical support, seen at the level of 1.2620, as it's up to the next test. The next target for bears is seen at the level of 1.2590, which is the key short-term technical support level. The weak and negative momentum on the H4 timeframe chart supports the short-term bearish outlook for GBP. Only a strong reversal and a breakout above the local supply zone located between levels 1.2762 and 1.2797 would change the short-term bearish outlook. Reversal confirmation comes with the level of 1.2803 breakout. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Rikimovic. Gold has been trading upside this morning, but we found the market is still in the downside channel mode. Due to the downside channel in place and the weak demand this morning, Petar sees potential for the further downside movement after completion for the upside correction. Downside objective is set at the price of 1911. Stochastic oscillator is showing upside reading, which is a sign that gold is still in the upside correction phase. Key resistance is set at the price of 1920. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USD JPY currency pair focused. Let's have a look. The USD JPY pair covered a significant distance yesterday, hitting the 144.73 target. On the daily chart, the modern oscillator shows the first sign of a reversal, suggesting a potential correction. Although the price has risen a bit towards the deep correction level of 142.83, there's still room for it to grow further 145.90. Yesterday's trading volume was above average, increasing the chances of succeeding growth slightly more than that of a correction. On the 4-hour chart, the price has symbolically stayed above the reached level. However, since margin is turning downward, this consolidation might be insufficient for further growth. The most likely scenario could involve a shallow correction to 143.90, which aligns with the MACD indicator line, coinciding with the peak of August 3. Subsequently, a new wave of growth could aim for 145.90. That's all I wanted to say you today. See you next time online. Good luck.